Booger check. Probably looks good. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be boogers here. Hey, this is Unreal Talk with Gay Gunsmoke. And if you're receiving this transmission, then it may be too late. Because this may be the end of the world. Because it is snowing in the deep south, the dirty south of Dublin, Georgia. And it's snowing here, baby. Look at that. Holy Mick Moly. It's snowing everywhere, so it's probably Armageddon. This is the end of times right here. No one in Dublin, Georgia, or anywhere in the deep south knows how to take this shit. It hadn't snowed here in many moons, eons. And in case you don't know, an eon is 1 billion years. Typically speaking, it hasn't snowed here in eons. Look at that. Ain't that amazing? That's beautiful. Just beautiful everywhere. I want to turn it around. I know y'all like looking at my pretty face because I'm a world famous Instagram model. But I'm going to turn it around just this one time and let y'all see what it looks like in Dublin, Georgia. Going nuts. There will be so many. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. There will be. I need to keep a watch on my time limit, don't I? But there will be so many wrecks. So many wrecks today, I guarantee you. Look at all that. Snow everywhere. Snow, buddy. I know y'all really wanted to see my pretty, beautiful face because I'm a world famous Instagram model. And whatever. But yeah, there will be so many wrecks here today. All throughout the deep south. The dirty deep south. They're gonna be feeling you sliding all over. And they're all out in it. You can't tell them. Look at this. Hey, I know this is off topic, but just look at this. Well, I'll turn it. Blah, blah, blah. A perfectly good door. Just left here at the trash dump. Perfectly good. I don't see a thing wrong with it. Not a thing. I already get that door. Put it on Facebook Marketplace and sell it for about, I don't know. How much you think it's worth? Leave it in the comments. Probably about $500-600. Yeah, I figured, trust me folks, for all the tens of people that may watch this video, it does not snow here hardly ever. I mean, we don't get bad weather. We're fortunate in that aspect. I mean, the volcano that's here in Dublin, Georgia hasn't erupted in hundreds of years. We hardly get any tsunamis in Dublin, Georgia. And hurricanes, very little here in Dublin, Georgia. And snow, very, very little in Dublin, Georgia. So anyhow, that's why I'm out here enjoying it. The people up north are like, hey buddy, we don't get so excited about your snow. Hey, I was in Madison, Wisconsin for a little while. I don't like it. I don't like cold weather. Not like this. Why, hey, I'm here at the only major highway in Lawrence County. So, maybe I'll just stand out here and see what happens. There's Bombshell Beauty Boutique. If y'all ever get a chance to go there, Bombshell Beauty. Yeah, and I just gotta. Oh well. So this is like really and truly the only major highways. There's very few major highways in Dublin. This is one of them. And wrecks happen here all the time. Why don't they put up a sign No, I mean not a sign, but a traffic light. I don't know. They should. But I guarantee you, if I was stupid enough to stand out here in 29-degree weather for long enough, there'll be a wreck out here. I'm not hoping for a wreck, but there's going to be one. Oh well, hey, so I'm at the five minute mark. Better make this short little video. I'll make another one. Stay classy, Dublin, Georgia. More unreal talk with the actual real gay guys, not being that silly today.